Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for self-defense and everyday carry enthusiasts alike. What if I told you there's a knife out there that's not only a powerhouse in self-defense but also a reliable everyday companion? Introducing the CJRB Folding Knife Feldspar Pocket Stonewash D2 Steel Blade. This sleek and robust folding knife boasts a D2 steel blade with a stonewash finish. Designed to endure the harshest conditions while maintaining sharpness and performance. But what sets the Feldspar apart from the rest? Let's take a closer look. Firstly, its ergonomic design and G10 tactical handle provide a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring you're always in control. Plus, with thumb studs for effortless deployment and a sturdy liner lock, accessing your blade has never been smoother or safer. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're in a self-defense situation or simply tackling everyday tasks, the Feldspar is your go-to tool. Its compact size and deep carry clip make it discreet and easy to carry wherever you go. But here's the best part. The Feldspar isn't just about performance. It's about peace of mind. Backed by rigorous factory testing and a 1-year warranty, CJRB ensures this knife is built to last. So, if you're searching for the best self-defense knife for women that combines reliability, functionality, and style, look no further than the CJRB Feldspar. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on top-notch products like the CJRB Feldspar. Until next time, stay sharp and stay safe.